Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So why don't you join me, family? Let's make this delicious salad for my weight loss journey. Yeah, when you say menu, you know what? So let's go. So in a bowl, I am going to assemble all my vegetables. Yes, and please note, I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out, okay? So I am embarking on a weight loss journey, so I eat more of salad, vegetables, and the likes. Yeah, so this was a salad recipe I made and it was so nice. Okay, so I just added some lettuce, onions, carrots, and then I also added some black olives. Yes, it helps in massive weight loss. Okay, so I added my olives and it took my salad recipe to another level, guys. You need to add some olives in your salad. Okay, so over here I'll add some tuna flakes to it, and trust me, I am done. So I just sprinkled some salt to taste and a little black pepper, which is optional. Okay, and ta-da, just look at it, we are done. So I enjoyed it this way. Okay, but sometimes when we are this way, you can just drizzle some ketchup, mustard, and some salad cream to make it creamier. So yes, so I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's a doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, so come, let's enjoy this delicious, beautiful, mouth-watering, and eye-catching salad recipe. Thank you and see you guys. I love you. Bye bye.